What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue, and today we got sort of a special video. So it's two things that's gonna be in this video. Now, one thing is I'll be doing a different type of trading where I'm trading options, but they're gonna be Iron Condors weeklies on the SPY. It's gonna be off of a certain way, and it's gonna be 3 times a week. So on the weekends, I'm gonna let you all know the amount that I profit or what I lose in those 3 trades. With the second part of this video, I'm doing a giveaway. So in order to find out what I'm giving away, you have to watch the video, subscribe, and like, and I'll let you know what to do to enter the giveaway. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So this will be a new weekly video thing that I'm gonna do with options. I'm gonna sell some Iron Condors, and I'm gonna do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's gonna be on the SPY. It's gonna be like a weekly thing. And we're going to see if we can grow another small account. But it's going to be just using the options Iron Condors. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into SPY and say, like today, I'm going to look at the options for 5 days out, which is on Wednesday. And I want to buy the 33 Delta, which is or not a 33, but anything under a 30 Delta. I mean, so it's gonna be around a 70% win rate. That's what it's supposed to be if you buy something under like a 30 Delta. So I'm gonna do it 3 times a week. I'm gonna do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on the weekend, I'll post the results for the week. And so I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna show you how to do that and let you see me open the first ones. I actually have one on right now from, I think it was Monday I bought it, and it closes today, but it's actually up. It says P&L up $20, but that's because I have a position on from, well, it's for the year 2020, and I have 2 contracts that's down, but it's for the price to go to 490. So anyways, here's the one from this that expires today. They actually up. If I wanted to sell them right now, I believe I could sell them for like 19 cents or something like that. Where it's at. Iron Condor is at 15 cents right now. And when I sold them, they was at, I got $48 or something like that for them. But I'm gonna do it today so that you all can see me do this live. And I'm going to actually I'm gonna see about selling these 340s for Wednesday. Well, no, I'm gonna go up under that, the 341s. So if you go right click on sell and go up to Iron Condor, and you put all of the strikes you want in. So I want to sell the 41, buy back the 342, which is already in. And then you want to go up to the put side and look for the delta that's around that. So I can get the 27 or the 24, which I'm going to take the 24 to get myself a little bit more space out. And you want to put 27 and 26 in down here. So the top one is going to be the sell. So you sell the 27. If I can get to it, and you buy back to 26. And since it's a dollar wide strike, it's going to ultimately add up to $1. So right now it's at 45. So I know y'all been waiting on this part of the video. So in order to enter the giveaway, you have to like, subscribe, and leave your Cash App down in the comments. Now, the reason why I'm giving the giveaway is because I'm almost at 50 subscribers. So once I hit that 50th subscriber, I'll be doing the giveaway in the next video after that. So, like I said, you gotta like, subscribe, and leave your Cash App down in the comments. That'll get you into the drawing, and I'll do the drawing live on my video right after I hit my 50th subscriber. Now, go ahead and do that, and we can get on and finish this up. And it's moving. This is what I would get. So if I confirm it, it'll have everything in here. I will lose $56 and I can make a max profit of 44. But if my win rate is around 70 to 75%, then in the end, you're going to end up. So I'm going to put this order out, see if we can get filled. It usually can take a few minutes before it get filled, and you can end up, if you go in and hit right click and hit cancel replace, you can change it and bring it down and then confirm it. You just do that maybe a couple times and it'll usually get filled. You might lose a buck or a couple bucks, which they actually it adds up, but you're just trying to get, if you can let it sit there for a minute before it get filled. Well, I got filled, so you see I have that. Now I have that position open. Plus I have the one from earlier in the week that expires today, which look like it's up. So we'll be doing those type of videos, and I'll put them out every weekend to let you know which contracts I took. Friday, I'll record them, me getting the order, but I'll put the video out on the weekend. So if y'all like these videos, hit the subscribe button for me and thumbs up and leave a comment. Anyways, we'll see you back next week so you can see if I lost money or made money on these contracts. Anyways, later.